Hello students, welcome to online class. Today we'll discuss about employment and bank funds. Before explaining the chapter, first of all we need to learn about what is the actual meaning of employment or investment of bank fund. The employment or investment or advancing of funds by a commercial bank means the safe utilization and profitable use of its fund. The bank, as we know, obtain money from different sources as pay interest on them. It is the utmost desire of every commercial bank that it should invest its fund in a manner which serves its own as well as customers' interest. Its own interest is to earn profit for the shareholder. The other interest is of the customer. The bank should keep sufficient cash at its disposal to pay back money to the customers along with interest as and when demanded by them. These two objectives of liquidity and profitability are obtained by utilizing the surplus funds into ready convertible securities. The main type of earning asset of a bank are as follows. Number one, money at call and short notice, investment in government and semi-government securities, short and medium term loan, and last, discounting of bill. Sources of bank fund. So now if you follow this diagram, then we can see different types of sources are there. Number one, capital funds, mortgage loan, deposits, liabilities management, and repurchase agreement. So these are the actual available sources of. The major source of fund is saving gathered through local market, lower interest rate, no minimum maturity period is required. Okay. Next, management minimize risk and achieve goal. Liabilities of commercial bank, they are equity, reserve, new account, money market liabilities, wholesale and retail certificate, negotiable instruct, short term loan, and bills payable. So these are the actual liabilities from the management. Repurchase agreement, temporary borrowing in money market, required reserves loan, and own securities. These are the repurchase agreement option. Mortgage loan. So mortgage loan, it's a kind of a loan against your property, loan for purchase of commercial property, loan through lease rental discounting, loan may have maturity up to 30 years. Funds, bank capital is divided into two groups. Tier 1 capital is known as the core or primary capital, and Tier 2 capital is known as the supplementary capital. This fund includes common stock, suppliers retained earning, and undivided profit. This is the actual fund of a bank. Now from the user side, the uses of bank fund. Number one, dividend, taxation, interest on long-term loan, capital expenditure, decrease in long-term loan, increase in current assets. What is capital expenditure? So capital expenditure is the money or the amount spent for acquiring additional fixed assets, emplacement and renewal separately under the relevant period, undertake new projects or investment in long-term loan raised from financial institutions are repayable in installment, payment for plants and machinery purchased, increase in current assets, increase in the amount of book debt, stock in trade, bill receivable, assets increases in the level of working, and capital raised through short-term borrowing. Interest on long-term loans, interest payable on term loans. The term loans are repayable in installments. Amount of interest payable on the outstanding amount of loan goes on decline. Taxation, compulsory money collection by levying authority. Term taxation applies to all types of involuntary levies. Concern starts earning profit. Provision for taxation is to be taken. It refers to a reward and cash. It can be issued in form of payment and stocks. Dividend is decided by the board of directors. It's a part of profit that the company shares with. Thank you for watching my video.